Hey guys, so I'm at a party. So look, we're doing fireworks. I wasn't ready to record because I didn't have my phone. I couldn't my camera on me, and I couldn't find it. So this is what it looks like right now, y'all. Like it's about to go lit, and then we lit, and then we see. One, two, right. Look. Hey. It's done. It's no good. No good. Someone fall. 1, 2, 3. You get me? Oh. Hey guys. Let's go. That boy almost got shot. That's gonna jump on you. That's all. It's gonna be like. That's all the fireworks. Jump. Bruh. That's lame. That was lame. That's it. Go get some more. Bruh, it is done. We only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We only did 9 of them.
Well, what are you doing?
Nothing. Let it go. I know you can't see me. Ah. It cracked. What do you want to play hide and go seek? Let's go. Let's ask the other people about to play hide and go seek. So let's get into it. So we only got teams. So it's me and him, so we're gonna go for that. So it's only me and you on teams. First, there's only gonna be 2 people. That's gonna be it. Hey, y'all playing tag? Y'all wanna play tag?
Hide and go seek, you mean?
Hide and go seek tag? You playing hide and go seek tag?
Give me something, huh?
What you playing hide and go seek tag?
First, let's get a sausage. Okay.
Get sausages. That you suck on?
Yeah.
Is that you suck all night? But nada. No.
Liliani's playing.
Okay. Hey, we're set into groups. Me and him, not it. No. You and him, y'all.
What?
Both of y'all.
Go get an empty bag and hide all those. Come on. I have to go.
No, heck no, I'm not getting that. You go get it. Not my problem. Okay, we're playing tag. So me and you on teams, we gotta hide to the same spot. But this is gonna be easy for us. I have dark stuff and I can blend into stuff. Like in dark stuff.
Let's just go ahead and walk around and see if we can find out.
I feel like I found one right now. Like if you see how my pants is white, I can blend in right there. But I don't feel like it because they're gonna get me. So, did you just fart it?
I thought we should hide.
Somewhere else. Oh yeah, right there, like somewhere.
Hide right here in this bush. Find
Oh.
somewhere to stand. Look under that table.
Yeah, I went there.
Look, right here, come on.
I know, right there, I know. I know.
That's our hiding spot. Let's go get him.
But it's tagged though, so we can run. Basically. So let's go. That's stupid. What are they doing? Why you do that? Hey guys, so we're done. I know this was a short video, but that's all we had to do. So the part 2 is coming up for tag.